Hi guys, Mike here and welcome to my channel. I'm a technology enthusiast who enjoys learning about new technology, learning how to use new software programs, and breaking down complicated technology for the general user. I'm going to post technology tips, tricks, and tutorials. This will allow you to get the information that you want. One of the goals of my channel is to make my demonstrations as short as possible. Therefore, you may notice that most of my videos are between 2 and 5 minutes long. Let's head over to the computer now, and I'll show you the first tutorial I ever posted. SAIT uses a web license to provide access to Kurzweil. Once you've got the client software installed and you have a working internet connection, just double-click the Kurzweil 3000 icon on the desktop. The first thing you'll see is a username and password dialog box. Enter the username and password given to you by the Kurzweil system administrator. Then click OK to log in. When you see this splash screen, the login is successful. It may take a moment to load. The program is now open. Click the X to dismiss the tip of the day and you can begin using the program.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.